Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, we are talking about how to beat recruits in Clash Royale. They can swarm your tower if you are not careful, and they push both towers at once with their high number of troops. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to counter recruits and the best strategies to defend against the Royal recruits. Now let's get started with the video. First, use slash damage troops like Baby Dragon, Valkyrie, or Wizard, or even Mega Knight is a good option to counter the Royal Knight or the Royal recruits. They hit multiple recruits at once, clearing them effectively. Second, you need to build a defensive structure like cannon or Tesla. Place them in the center to distract swarm while your tower chips away at their health. Third, you can keep your troops spread out. If you drop all your troops together, recruits can overwhelm them easily. So make sure you use air attack troops so that they cannot damage your troops. Fourth, use spells like arrows, fireballs, or zap if the recruits start stacking up and to disable their shield. This helps counter the push instantly. Finally, counter push. After clearing the recruits, send your surviving troop for counter attacks like Elite Barbarian that is very effective and it turns their swarms into an advantage for you. So keep an eye out for an advantage during the map, and that's how you can beat recruits in Clash Royale. Use splash damage, spread your troops, and don't be afraid to use spells. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.